part of what I enjoy about developing for phones and stuff is being able to write one code base and have it work on both sets of phones. So you can write your code in Swift. So you can write a library. Say you're building a calculator. You've got your UI stack, and then you've got the calculation code. So you have this library that's like, here's all the code to do the calculations, multiplication, division, subtraction, whatever. So I can build that in Swift and make a library, and then I can link that library into my Android code where I have to build the UI differently. So, but it's cool because if you have a team that handles backend code and front end code, you can that backend code team can write everything in Swift now instead of having to write it in Java for the Android platform or Swift for the iOS platform.
Okay.
So that's kind of the power in it. It doesn't replace Flutter. And like I said, Flutter is a write once. It's made by Google.
And Flutter is like what you like to use.
Flutter is what I like to use. So Flutter syntax is very like JavaScript. It's not JavaScript. It's not like any of that, but it's similar. And so it makes sense in my head because I'm used to coding that stuff. But yeah, I thought that was cool, but it doesn't replace the UI, hot reloading, all of that kind of stuff. But it could help trim your team. So if you have a team that, like I said, that writes UI, you'd still have to have an Android team and an iOS team. But if you have a team that writes backend code for Android and iOS, you could replace them with one
Just
team.
having one.
Yeah, one team. So Swift on Android doesn't kill Flutter. It's proof, though, that everyone's kind of chasing the same goal. Everybody's after the same thing where we want to write one piece of code and then ship it.
I mean, it makes the most sense.